This tablet has 8,000 levels of pressure sensitivity.
That sounds like it could detect even a butterfly landing on it.
It is exactly what I need for my new character designs.
The screen looks so bright and clear on the website photos.
It also has a special texture that feels like real paper.
I remember you saying that drawing on glass feels too slippery.
Yes, it is like trying to ice skate with a pen.
This online store has a very high rating from other artists.
I have been reading the feedback for the past 3 days.
You are definitely the champion of doing deep product research.
I just want to make sure I spend my savings wisely.
The price dropped by 20% this morning, Sophie.
Are you serious, or are you just teasing me?
Look for yourself. The red sale tag is right there.
This is the perfect moment to click the purchase button.
Wait, does it come with a digital pen included in the box?
Let me check the list of items in the package.
Some brands make you buy the pen and the stand separately.
Luckily, this bundle has everything a professional artist needs.
I like the sleek black design of the outer frame.
It will match the rest of my desk setup perfectly.
Do you think the screen is large enough for your workspace?
13 inches is the sweet spot for portability and comfort.
I agree. Anything bigger would be hard to carry around.
I am adding it to the cart before the sale ends.
My heart beats faster every time we shop online together.
It's the thrill of getting new tools for your passion.
I feel the same way when I buy new computer parts.
We are both just big kids with very expensive hobbies.
Let's move to the shipping page to see the dates.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
My phone shows a different model with a faster response time.
Is it the one with the built-in shortcut keys on the side?
Yes, it has 10 buttons you can customize for your software.
That would save me so much time while I'm painting.
But the battery life on the first one is much longer.
I usually work with the cable plugged in, so that is fine.
Then the shortcut keys are a much more useful feature.
Let me compare the color accuracy of both displays.
This one covers 100% of the sRGB color space.
That is vital for making sure my prints look correct.
I never knew there were so many technical details in art.
It's a mix of traditional skills and modern engineering.
I am impressed by how much you know about screen panels.
I had to learn it to avoid buying a low-quality display.
The second model is slightly more expensive than the first.
£5 more is a small price for 10 extra buttons.
I think we have a clear winner for your new studio.
I'm switching the items in my virtual shopping cart.
It is good that we check the alternatives before paying.
You're a great second pair of eyes for these things.
I'm just making sure you get the best value for your money.
The reviews say the customer support is very helpful too.
That is important if the software needs a quick update.
Most people say the setup takes less than 5 minutes.
I'll help you install the drivers on your laptop.
You handle the tech and I'll handle the creativity.
That sounds like a fair and balanced deal to me.
I'm feeling very confident about this choice now.
Then let's head back to the main checkout page.
I hope they have a fast shipping option available today. The total amount is still within my monthly budget.
Does that include the tax and the delivery fee?
Yes, the website calculated everything automatically for me.
I'm glad there are no hidden costs at the end.
I'm typing in the delivery address for my apartment.
Make sure the apartment number is correct this time.
I remember when your package went to the neighbor's house.
That was a very confusing day for everyone involved.
My address is saved in the browser, so it is safe.
Are you going to pay with your card or a digital wallet?
I will use the digital wallet for extra security.
That is a smart move for high-value online purchases.
I'm waiting for the verification code on my phone.
The little progress bar is moving across the screen.
Here's the code. It's 6 digits.
Type it in quickly before the session expires.
Done. The screen is processing the payment information.
I love the sound of the digital cha-ching at the end.
Order confirmed. Your creative journey starts soon.
That is a very inspiring message for a store to send.
I already feel like my drawings are getting better.
The power of a new graphics tablet is truly amazing.
I will check my email for the tracking number later.
They usually send it within an hour of the purchase.
I am so happy I finally made the decision.
You have been talking about this tablet for 2 months.
It was a big investment, so I had to be sure.
I am proud of you for reaching this artistic milestone.
We should celebrate with a large bowl of popcorn.
I will go to the kitchen and start the microwave.
I have been checking the map every 30 minutes.
Is the delivery truck getting closer to our district?
It is currently 3 streets away near the park.
I am starting to feel a bit nervous and excited.
There is no reason to be nervous. It will be here soon.
What if the box is crushed or the screen is broken?
We checked the insurance policy, so we are protected.
I just want to start drawing without any problems.
Look, the little truck icon is moving toward our gate.
I can hear the sound of a vehicle outside the window.
Looking out. Yes, it is the big orange delivery van.
My heart is racing like a professional sprinter.
I will go down to the lobby and meet the driver.
I will stay here and clear a space on my desk.
Make sure there are no coffee cups near the laptop.
I am moving everything away to make a clean workspace.
I can hear the elevator coming up to our floor.
I am opening the door to let the excitement in.
The box is much bigger than I expected.
It says fragile and handle with care in big letters.
The cardboard looks perfect. Not a single scratch on it.
Thank you for bringing it up so quickly, Tom.
I wouldn't want you to wait even one more second.
Let's put it on the table and get the scissors.
I have them right here in my jeans pocket.
I feel like a kid on a very special birthday morning.
Every new tool is a gift to your own future talent.
I am cutting the tape very carefully on the top.
I will hold the box steady while you open the flaps.
Here we go. Let's see the digital magic inside.
There's a lot of protective foam inside the box.
The company really cares about the safety of the screen.
I see the smaller box with the brand logo on it.
It is so elegant and minimalist. I love the packaging.
Lift it out slowly. It looks a bit heavy for its size.
It is the weight of all that high-quality technology.
I am helping you pull the tablet out of the soft sleeve.
Look at the matte finish. It is absolutely beautiful.
The glass is flawless and reflects the light perfectly.
I'm touching the surface and it feels so smooth.
Here's the digital pen. It feels very well balanced.
It fits in my hand like it was made specifically for me.
I will find the USB cable at the bottom of the box.
I'm plugging the tablet into the side of my laptop.
A small blue light just turned on near the power button.
My computer is recognizing the new device already.
That was the fastest installation I've ever seen.
I'm opening my favorite drawing software to test it.
The cursor is following the pen movement across the air.
I haven't even touched the screen yet and it works.
Try to draw a simple circle to check the pressure.
The line goes from thin to thick so naturally.
It looks like you're using a real brush on a canvas.
There is zero lag between my hand and the screen.
This is a huge upgrade from your old small tablet.
I feel like I have been given a superpower today.
You already had the power. This is just the conduit.
I am going to spend the whole night exploring the settings.
I will make a fresh pot of tea to keep you going.
You are the best support team a girl could have. I am sketching a portrait of you as my first project.
I hope you make my hair look a bit more organized.
I am capturing your kind smile and your blue eyes.
The colors on the screen are so vibrant and true to life.
I can see details that I never noticed on my old monitor.
The shortcut keys are really helping you work faster.
I just programmed this button to be my favorite eraser.
It is like watching a pianist play a very beautiful song.
My hand doesn't feel tired at all because of the grip.
I'm glad we chose the model with the ergonomic design.
This online store was a great find for my career.
I will save the website in my favorites for the future.
We might need to buy a special carrying case later.
I saw a waterproof one with a soft velvet lining.
Let's wait a few weeks before our next shopping trip.
My wallet agrees with that plan completely, Sophie.
I am adding some digital shadows to the portrait now.
The way the light hits my t-shirt looks very realistic.
The tablet allows me to blend the colors very softly.
I am amazed at how quickly you are mastering the tools.
It's easy when the equipment is this high quality.
I'm going to frame a print of the sketch for my room.
I will sign it in the corner with my new digital pen.
Our online shopping adventure was a massive success.
I am so grateful for your patience and your help, Tom.
I enjoyed every step of the process, from search to sketch.
Now I am ready to take on the world of illustration.
And I am ready to be your #1 fan and critic.
I am saving the file and closing the laptop for tonight.
Let's go watch a movie and give your eyes a rest.